Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. Today onwards on my channel Food Cyto, I am going to discuss about our next topic, that is natural toxins in foods. So first of all, let's understand what are natural toxins. As the name suggests, these are toxic compounds which are produced naturally by living organisms. One thing to be noted down is these toxins are not harmful to the organisms themselves, but they may be toxic to other creatures including humans when eaten. These chemical compounds have diverse structure and differ in their biological functions and toxicity. Now let's discuss about their formation. How do these toxins are formed? Some toxins are produced by plants as a natural defense mechanisms against predators, for example insects or microbes, etc. Or they can also be formed as a consequence of infestation with microbes such as molds. Another reason for their formation could be climate stress. That means these toxins can be formed in response to climate stress, for example drought or humidity, etc. Now the question arises, why are we talking about these natural toxins? Are they harmful? Yes, they are. Let's have a look over their harmful effects. Natural toxins can cause a variety of adverse health effects and pose a serious health threat to humans as well as livestock. Some of these toxins are extremely potent. As represented here, adverse health effect can be acute poisoning ranging from allergic reactions to severe stomachache, diarrhea or even death. Whereas long-term consequences of these toxins include effects on immune system, nervous system, reproductive system and also cancer. Now let's go through some examples of these natural toxins in foods. As represented here, we have selenium in grains, methyl mercury in seafoods, aflatoxin B1, ricin, alpha caconin, lectins in legumes, botulinum neurotoxin and cholera toxin. I'll be discussing about all of these one by one in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned with Food Cyto for more such concepts and learning in a simplified manner. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.